Have you ever needed to share your Wi-Fi password with a guest but forgot what it is? Your Windows computer actually stores every Wi-Fi password you have ever used. But Microsoft provides no easy way to see them through the regular interface. You have to go to this Wi-Fi, then go to the control panel, then have to check all the independent connection one by one, and then have to click show password to reveal the saved password. But what about all those other networks you have connected to over these years? It's a hectic job to do. Thankfully, Windows provides us with this command, what you see on the screen right now, which lists all saved wireless network profile on the computer. And with a few more commands stitched through a pipeline, we can conveniently get all the Wi-Fi passwords stored on your computer. Instantly, you will be able to access, or the computer reveals all the saved or stored Wi-Fi password on your computer. I will show you how you can do that. For that, you have to go to the PowerShell or CMD or terminal. I'm just right clicking on the start and you will get the terminal. Just open it as an admin. Now simply paste this command. Just paste this command. I'll share this command in the description, so you can go ahead and save it somewhere in a text file, and whenever you require, just copy paste and then execute it. That's it. You can see that all the Wi-Fi names and the password is revealed here instantly. So this is cool, right? I am 100% sure that you are not aware of this feature. So save this command as a text file in your computer, and whenever you require, you just paste it and click enter. That's it. So hope this video is very helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.